my oven preheating to 350 degrees, and I'm just going to pour just a little bit of barbecue sauce in the bottom of my 9x13 dish. I'm cooking chicken thighs because that's our favorite piece of the chicken. So I just buy a pack of the thighs. And now I just want to season my chicken. And you can do it however you want. I'm using a little bit of salt, some black pepper, because your barbecue sauce is going to give it a lot of flavor. But I still like to, I season it pretty much how I bake my chicken. Not quite as many seasonings, but a good many. I put a little bit of granulated onion. And I'm doing the bottom sides because I want to cook it with the top side up. A little bit of garlic powder. A little bit of poultry seasoning because it is chicken. A little bit of smoked paprika. Seasoned salt, and I'm using dried rosemary. Fresh is the best, but I haven't gotten my herbs planted yet. I need to get busy. Right, now I'm just going to move them over into my pan. And I did prepare my chicken. I cut off all that excess skin and stuff that's on it so much. Squeeze these two in there. And now I just want to re-season the top. Alright, now I just want to put barbecue sauce over the top. A little trick. Take it, swing it around. Get that barbecue sauce to the end of that bottle. And it gives the kids a good laugh. And now I'm just going to dab that all over just to make sure it's covered. I am going to cook this for about an hour. You want to make sure it runs clear. This chicken had been in my freezer, it's thawed out, so if it's cold in the center, you may want to go a little bit longer. But you want your chicken to be done. And I will see you in about an hour. Well, here it is. Doesn't that look good? I wish you could smell it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.